So if you're someone that's been dealing with chronic pain, you've had cortisone shots, and for a while they were working, now they're not working anymore, or you got one and it didn't help at all, what's next? So let's understand what cortisone does. So cortisone, I like to refer to it as a fire extinguisher. So if you think about, if you have a fire in your house, so if you have a fire extinguisher, you put that fire out, the fire is gone, but there's all this damage left over. So now what? You're gonna hire a repair crew to come in, take the damage out, put something new down so you have something new again and your house is back to normal. Well, if we're gonna equate our body to that house where the fire is raging, usually what we're doing with cortisone is we're trying to extinguish that fire and then hoping your body's repair crew is gonna come in and take care of that damage and repair it. Sometimes the repair crew didn't get hired, they're lazy or they're missing, and so we've got to do something to help your body's repair crew do that. And PRP is a great way to help your body get better, to help it heal. Same time, we're going to put that fire out, but then help your body heal. Your body has the ability and knows how to heal if it's directed to do so. And so PRP stands for Platelet-Rich Plasma. It works on tendon, joint, muscle, nerve. It's a pretty phenomenal treatment to keep you from avoiding surgery. You cannot overdose on yourself and you get better. It's not a quick overnight get better, but in the long run, when we compare it to cortisone, cortisone doesn't even stand in the same category as long-term helping you heal, stay healed, and getting back to doing those things you like to do. Do me a favor, hit subscribe below. It's free for you and it helps me continue to provide content for you to learn from. So again, PRP is a great way, we call that regenerative medicine, to help your body heal and stay healed, to avoid surgery, avoid cortisone and some of the damage that can happen with cortisone. Cortisone has its function, but PRP is far superior to helping your body get better. So do me a favor, like this video, and if you're in the valley dealing with chronic pain and want to learn more about how PRP or regenerative medicine can help your body heal and stay healed, come see me, Dr. Keith at Restorative Edge Clinic.